Carmela's doing her puzzle. That's a star, sweetie. That one's hard. Here, I'll help you. Okay, there you go. There you go. Very good. Very good, sweetie. Oh, the same piece. Okay, okay. It's the same piece. You have to do a different one now. There you go. What is that? That's your whale. Where does the whale go? Where does the whale go? There you go. Very good, sweetie. Whale. What is that? It's a jellyfish. Where's the jellyfish? Very good, sweetie. What's that? Lobster? Where's the lobster? Oh, that's the crab. Oh, very good. And that's your lobster. Lobster. There you go, sweetie. Very good. Last one, fish.